Good Saturday morning, folks. Keith here with my 94 Project Trans Am, and today I'm going to be installing my AFR 195cc heads onto my 383 LT1 build. Let me show you what we got going on here with some parts. Got Felpro head gaskets for the LT1, LT4. Part number is, you can see that part number right there. $10.74. You'll need a torque wrench. These heads get torqued down to 70 foot-pounds. ARP fastener assembly lube, what I'm going to use on the head bolts. Got 3 different size ARP head bolts here. These are a medium. I've got 4 mediums. I got long ones and I got short ones. So we'll go in sequence. I'll show you how these go in what places, okay? The ARP assembly lube fastener will go around the head of the bolt right here, right around here with the washer. And I'll go over the washers in a second because there's a way that they go on specifically. So this fastener lube will go around the head of the bolt right here with the washers, which I'll show you in a sec. The ARP washers have 2 sides. It's hard to see, but there's a flat side. It's like an oval side. Oval side goes down on the bolt. The flat side goes into the head. That way when you torque these down, you get an even torque spec where it's not going to be out of whack. The way these washers are designed, these head bolts. Okay? And that assembly lube is going to go around here. ARP thread sealant, which goes around the threads of the head bolts, because you're going to be going to water jackets with these heads. So every head bolt gets thread sealer. This is the white stuff. This is good. This is what ARP recommends. So that's what we got. It's going to go around the threads. Not a lot, just a couple dabs on there. That way the water antifreeze will soak through the head. And of course, ARP instructions, torque specs. AFR heads recommend 70 foot-pounds, and so does the ARP. So I get my camera zoom in there. 70 feet, foot-pounds. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna get these head gaskets put on the dowels first, and there is an up and a down on the head gasket, so pay attention to that if you're doing these in your garage. See you shortly.